Hey landlords, owning rentals means battling those wild temperature swings, from snowy winters to scorching summers. But here's the game changer, preventative maintenance. It's your secret weapon for slashing costs, keeping tenants happy, and boosting your property's value. I'm Nick Jensen, and today we're diving into how a simple maintenance schedule can protect your investments. First off, why bother? Here's why. Skipping maintenance turns tiny issues into disasters, like a small leak flooding your floors or a faulty AC leaving tenants sweaty in July. But if you get proactive, you can avoid these headaches. Here are some of the big wins by doing so. It slashes unexpected breakdowns. Regular checks on HVAC, plumbing, and electrical catch problems early, no more midnight emergencies. Keeps your property pristine. From spotless exteriors to humming interiors, it preserves curb appeal and value. It boosts tenants' love and retention. Reliable living spaces mean renewals, not vacancies, saving you thousands in turnovers. It dodges over-maintenance traps. Smart scheduling ensures you stay on top of things and fix only what's needed, balancing costs perfectly. Cuts emergency bills. Proactive tweaks are way cheaper than full system meltdowns. And if you go green, you can save on utilities. Tune up your AC and insulation for efficiency, lowers bills for everyone. In short, it's proactive peace of mind. Now let's talk action. Tailor your schedule to the seasons. These tasks keep things running smooth. 1. HVAC tune-ups. 4 times a year, swap filters and inspect for efficiency. Dry air and heat swings demand it. Keeps tenants comfy without spiking your energy costs. Plumbing patrols. Frequent leak hunts, pipe checks, and water heater flushes catch a drip early and you can dodge water damage disasters. 4. Roof and gutter TLC. Spring and fall cleanings plus inspections. Winds and snow wreak havoc if they're ignored. 5. Detector drills. Test smoke and CO alarms monthly. Swap batteries biannually, it's a lifesaver. 6. Exterior glow up. Landscaping, painting, and parking upkeep seasonally. First impressions seal the deal for quality renters. Preventative maintenance benefits you over the long term. Scheduled maintenance creates higher values, fewer turnovers, and helps repair bills stay low. If you're feeling overwhelmed, that's what pros like managers are for. We craft schedules, manage contractors, run inspections, handle requests, and watch your budget. It's hands-off for you, full protection for your rentals. If you're ready for help, partner with us at NV Management by visiting nvpm.com or calling us at 801-337-4337 today. Thanks for watching.